ING is committed to being an active part of the transition to a lower carbon economy. And we know that helping Australians make their homes more energy efficient can have a significant impact. So today, we're proud to announce the launch of the Home Energy Helper in collaboration with the ING Green Upgrade Loan. Home Energy Helper, made in collaboration with Boom Power, is a simple online platform for customers to source quotes from accredited installers, assess what rebates they may be eligible for, and assess the potential impact that energy efficient upgrades may have to their home. And to support fund those changes, the ING Green Upgrade Loan is a renovation loan with a competitive 5-year fixed rate of just 3.74% per annum, with a comparison rate of 5.16% per annum, designed to support eligible ING home loan customers to make household energy upgrades that will help lower energy bills and reduce their energy consumption. The Green Upgrade Loan is made possible thanks to the support of the Clean Energy Finance Corporation's Household Energy Upgrades Fund.
The majority of Australia's 11 million homes were built before the sustainability construction measures of today. So home upgrades like batteries, solar panels and inverters, hot water heat pumps, induction cooktops and non-ducted single split air conditioners could have an impact on making older homes more sustainable, not to mention helping reduce ongoing energy costs. So how can you access the Green Upgrade Loan to make these home updates? Existing ING Mortgage Simplifier, Orange Advantage or fixed rate loan customers can apply for the Green Upgrade Loan if the eligibility criteria and credit approval are met. Full eligibility criteria can be seen at the end of the video.
If we want to accelerate decarbonisation, we need to help make it less complex for homeowners to make energy efficient upgrades to their home. If you or your clients might be interested, or if you're looking for more information, head to ING website or speak to your ING representative.